Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reveal Sendit username and messages from Snapchat, right? So the very first thing you have to do is just go to the Play Store or App Store and you have to download this Sendit from Snapchat, right? Sendit for Snapchat, and I have already downloaded it, so I will just open it. And after that you can see here that you can share anything, you can just ask me anything and you can edit it, right? So if I just want to go to the inbox, you can just go from the right side and you can also go from the top right side corner, right? So after that you will see all the messages whoever have sent you, and after that right now I don't have messages, that's why I can't show you. So you have to click on the message and there you will get an option that who have sent you, right? So you will get a message who sent it, and you will get another message that is in yellow box answer, right? So just click on the answer and you will get whoever have sent you, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe channel and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.